students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science, MGSS Darbhanga. And in this video, I am going to talk you class 7 Computer Science and the second chapter, that is the Cyber Ethics, Crimes and Safety. This is the fifth day of these chapters. In the previous chapters, I have already talked to you about cyber ethics and some of the terms related to unethical practices of cyber. And in the next topic, I am going to discuss you individual right to privacy. Individual right to privacy. So this is the right of individuals, persons, which is taking their personal information sacred. So each and every people say is making hard labors, and that is their confidential information. They want to take their information as a sacred. But nowadays some other people, mean to say unauthorized people, is stolen their private or secrecy files, and then they are using their files. So that is unfair, unethical. Don't do that type of things. Let's see measures to protect the privacy of individuals. Private information. So see how can we protect. Never share your login credentials with anyone. If you are using such type of privacy files, then you have never ever share with the other persons. Otherwise, they open that files, and then they able to use or misuse your files. Okay, second, disable the cookies in your web browsers to safeguard the leakage of information. If you have the cookies in your systems, so you have to disable. So in case of disables, it is want opening these cookies in the web browsers, and your files would be protected there. Never keep sensitive information unprotected. If you have confidential files, then each and every time you have to do protections. Mean to say you have to keep your files, taking the passwords and make the files as a encryptions. Then your files would be secret, and no one can open your files. So never keep the sensitive information unprotected. You protect your files by making the encryptions and taking the password. Okay, now second term, that is the software piracy. Software piracy mean to say unauthorized duplication and use of computer softwares. Unauthorized, the person who is not authorized for doing the duplication and making the copy of the computer software. The computer software has made by the other persons, and it is used and copied by the another person, that is the unauthorized person. Mean to say, you can say they are stealing this computer software. So this is the term software piracy. To prevent the software piracy, how can such type of piracy can be prevented? So take three types of steps. Never download unauthorized copy of software from the internet. In internet, having some of the unauthorized copy of software. So we have to copy only the authorized. Whenever we are downloading from the internet, so we have to keep it in mind. Never use software purchased for the one system and use in the multiple system. Whenever we are purchasing the computer software or program for the one system, and then we are doing the copy and then taking in the multiple systems, so that is also the software piracy. Never use the pirated CD of movies or music. So we want to use such type of pirated CD of movies and music. That's why our computers get its harms and very easily able to coming the viruses. So this is the two terms we have learned in this videos, and in next video I will learn more detail about the intellectual property rights. So how was this video? You have to give the comments so that I can improve it. Okay, thank you.